Welcome to our tutorial on how to enter numbers in Excel. Whether you are working on financial reports, statistical data, or simple calculations, knowing how to efficiently enter and manage numbers is crucial. Let's dive into the different methods for entering numbers in Excel. The first and simplest way to enter a number in Excel is by directly typing it into a cell. First, select the cell where you want to enter the number. For this example, we'll use cell A1. Type the number you wish to enter, such as 100, and then press enter. You can also enter multiple numbers in different cells by selecting each cell and typing the number, like 200 in cell A2 and 300 in cell A3. Secondly, the fill handle is a powerful tool for creating a sequence of numbers. Start by typing at least two sequential numbers in two cells. Let's use cell B1 and enter 1 and select B2 and enter 2. Select the cells with the initial numbers. Click and drag the fill handle, the small square at the bottom right corner, down to fill the series. Excel will automatically continue the sequence. Dragging the fill handle down will create a series like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and until 10 from cells B1 to B10. Thirdly, AutoSum is great for quickly calculating the sum of a range of numbers. First, enter your numbers into a range of cells like 10, 20, and 30 in cells C1 to C3. Select the cell where you want the sum to appear, such as cell C4. Click on the AutoSum button in the ribbon, and Excel will automatically sum the numbers in the range above. As the fourth method, sometimes you need to format numbers for better readability or specific requirements. Start by entering a number, like 1,234.567 in cell D1. Right-click the cell, select Format Cells, and navigate to the Number tab to access formatting options. In the Format Cells dialog box, choose a number format that suits your needs. You can select options like number, currency, accounting, percentage, and more. I will select currency. Once selected, click OK to apply the format. For an example, here formatting 1,234.567 as currency will display it as $1,234.57, which gives a meaning for the number. Finally, data validation can help ensure that users enter numbers correctly when there is a specific requirement, and it's a kind of control you can implement for preventing wrong number entries. Select the range where you want to enforce number entry. Let's select cells E1 to E12. Go to the Data tab in the ribbon, click on Data Validation, and select Data Validation again from the drop-down menu. In the Data Validation dialog box, set the criteria to allow only numbers. For example, you can specify that numbers must fall between 1 and 100. Click OK to apply the validation. To verify that the validation criteria are working, try entering a number outside the specified range. If you enter 150 in cell E1, an error message should appear like this, indicating that the entry does not meet the validation criteria. Now, enter a valid number within the specified range, such as 50. This time, no error message will appear, confirming that the entry meets the validation criteria. To recap, we covered 5 methods for entering numbers in Excel. Direct entry, using the fill handle for sequences, AutoSum for quick calculations, formatting numbers, and data validation for number entry. These techniques will help you manage your numerical data more effectively. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to check out our other videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Excel Tutor. See you next time.